Trust You presents How to Turn Self-Criticism into Self-Motivation. Self-criticism is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it can help us improve and grow as individuals, but on the other hand, it can lead to self-doubt, insecurity, and a lack of motivation. However, with the right mindset and tools, you can transform your self-criticism into self-motivation. In this video, we'll explore how to turn self-criticism into self-motivation and boost your self-esteem. Identify your negative self-talk. The first step in turning self-criticism into self-motivation is to identify the negative self-talk that's holding you back. Negative self-talk can be subtle, so pay attention to your inner dialogue and notice any patterns. Once you've identified your negative self-talk, you can work on challenging it. Challenge your negative self-talk. When you catch yourself engaging in negative self-talk, challenge it. Ask yourself if what you're saying is true or if it's just a belief you've picked up along the way. Often, negative self-talk is rooted in fear or self-doubt, so try to reframe your thinking to focus on your strengths and capabilities. Replace negative self-talk with positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is a powerful tool for boosting self-esteem and motivation. Instead of criticizing yourself, try to focus on your accomplishments and strengths. Practice affirmations and remind yourself of your worth and capabilities. Over time, positive self-talk can become a habit, and you'll find yourself feeling more motivated and confident. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals can help you build momentum and motivation. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable steps and celebrate each milestone along the way. This will help you feel a sense of accomplishment and boost your self-esteem. Celebrate your successes. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you build self-confidence and motivate you to keep pushing towards your goals. Transforming self-criticism into self-motivation is a process that takes time and effort. However, by changing and challenging your self-talk, setting realistic goals, focusing on the process, and celebrating your successes, you can start to turn your self-criticism into self-motivation. With these strategies, you can learn to appreciate your strengths and achievements while also recognizing areas for improvement and growth. If you like the video and you want to help the channel grow, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and obviously subscribe to the channel by activating notifications so you don't miss any news. Thanks for watching.